That's why Eric proudly says,
I have lost 111 pounds. My type 2 diabetes has been completely resolved. I would absolutely recommend Innova's weight loss program.
Start your journey today. You have everything to gain. Visit Innova.org/journey.
Today, Connie, with showers?
Tired of being tired? New ZzzQuil Pure Z's Restorative Herbal Sleep is a melatonin-free sleep aid made with clinically studied plant-based ingredients to help promote better restorative sleep. Sleep this good, feel this good.
What is iHeartRadio? All your favorite music.
This is Steven Tyler.
And Joe Perry from Aerosmith.
James from Metallica here. It's iHeartRadio. All your favorite stations, where you live or where you used to live. And of course, virtually every podcast on the planet at your fingertips. And it's all free. If you don't already have it, download the free iHeart app today. iHeart. Discover music, radio, and podcasts you'll love.
iHeart Radio. Oh my God.
From high atop the iHeartRadio Megaplex on Rockville, 5 WWE, IG, Washington. It's the Don Geronimo Show on Big 100.
Well, the program director has chimed in. He has texted me. He's told me to keep my hands at 10 and 2. I don't think it matters where my hands are on the steering wheel. I'm not driving this vehicle. This is the day officially that the computers took over. This is the day that they said we're tired of being a slave to you humans, and today's the day we're going to do whatever the hell we want. It is Thursday, S-H-I Thursday. Sure happy it's Thursday. Let's see if I can get through the birthdays without something going wrong. Amal Clooney. All right. Hi there. Happy birthday to you. Nathan Lane. Birdcage. He's so good. Sean Kingston, singer. Morgan Fairchild. You know, she still looks good. I can't imagine how much plastic surgery she's had done. Pretty Boy Floyd. I don't know if he was a pretty boy, but he was a bank robber back in the day. Bob Greasy, former Miami Dolphins quarterback. Fran Tarkenton, former Minnesota Vikings quarterback. And, well, here's a song. And it just stopped. Okay. Fran Tarkenton and Henry Heimlich for the Heimlich maneuver. I wish I could give it to myself right now. Let's try this again on Big 100.
When the truth is found.